So I've been making a reservation bot for my favorite restaurant. It happened after my friends Emily and Abraham were here, and I wanted to take them, and there was no reservations. So I made a quick thing using Terminal, and now I've ported it over to JavaScript, and I'm just sort of working on it a feature at a time. And I've been posting the videos on TikTok, but I thought I would do sort of more extended one as I'm doing it here, because those are a little bit more like edited, frenetic, and to be honest, editing takes a long time. So this is my experiments at not having to edit, and I'm just going to pause what I'm doing here and there and play around and see how this works. And then I'll just put this one on YouTube because it's in desktop format instead of mobile. So what I'm going to be doing today, I've got this basically working. See, you can select a date, you can select an hour, how big the party is, and then it tries every 120 seconds. And if you change this to a different date, here you can see there's something available for this date. I'm not sure I'm happy with the interface or anything yet. It's more just playing around with stuff. But I'm still making a feature that was essential on the first one, which is making a sound, because right now it only works if the browser's open. So today, we're going to make a sound. If it finds something, I want it to announce it, maybe using a AI celebrity voice. So let's go see what we've got for AI celebrity voices. I'm not even sure like what even exists for this yet. Speechify, let's try this one. Try for free. Okay, this one looks free and interesting. Let's give it a shot. Supposedly I can make this with John Lennon. Convert, no, I've got to sign up. Well, that's not too surprising. I'm really trying to do this without signing up. Honestly, this is pretty creepy, right? Like, make celebrities say whatever you want. I honestly feel a little uncomfortable with this. I know a lot of people are using 11 Labs for stuff. I don't know that it's celebrity, but I think it's good enough to be doing what we want to do. So, and look, it's ethical. Sort of like on eggs or something, like it just makes you feel good about something, even if it might not actually be 100% true. So when I make a test here,
Test 2.
I can see that a stream comes in, and it's a MPEG. I don't know why I'm not just signing up. It's probably easier, but I don't know, this feels more fun to just download it using DevTools. All right, I cannot, even though I can find the MP3 file when I copy it, it doesn't work. I'm not actually a hacker, so I think I'm gonna just have to sign up. All right, I am in, and I've got voice options. Looks like we've got a bunch of here, and there's even one with my name on it, so that has to be awesome. We've got some voice settings. Fascinating. And then we've got some different models. Okay, well, let's try it out. Let's just try this guy and just say, wow, all caps. Found a reservation for you. Grab it quick. See what it says.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
Oh, dude, Adam sucks. Dude, he's stressful, man. I think he works on Wall Street.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it.
Wait, why? No. Oh, I have to hit generate again. All right, let's try.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
No, like, these need to settle down, man. Let's settle down. How do we do, like, calm? Arnold.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
No, these are way. Oops.
I found a reservation for you.
Okay, let's try
I found
Bella.
a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
Okay. That doesn't sound aggressive. Dami.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
No. Oh, Dami. No, that's no. All right, Ellie.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
No, she sounds stressed. We don't want stress. Josh is always good. Let's see.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
No, this is like, I feel like these are trained on like some sort of like superhero sort of things going on here. I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick. We want like calm but authoritative.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
No. All right, Sam's our last one. I think we might have to go with Bella here.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
No. Okay, all right, we're going with Bella. I think that's going to be... It's here.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
It's still a little fast, though. I want it calmer. So let's see. Increasing variability can more expressive. So maybe we want clarity and similarity. Voice conversion. Let's try this one.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
No! What happened? Wait, no, dude. Okay, we're going to go back and we're going to use this and we're going to go a little bit more stable.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
It still feels... I'm going to try it again.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
All right, I think that's good enough. Wait, how do I download it? Can I not download it here either? Oh, man. Did I do this all for nothing? Oh, actually, there's a whole history here, and you can download in here, so that works good. I think the first Bella I did, if I remember, was good. Let's see.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
I think that's the best one. So I'm going to download it, and then we're going to try to add it. So I'll just name this as Bella.mp3, and we'll put it inside. All right, for this, the first thing that I do is I just remove this bottom part. Gives you a little more space. And now I've just got to load in the files that I've already created. So for that, I've got 3 files here, and it recognizes them pretty simple. So I just basically say, I'm going to put what I want up here, just so that I can maximize the amount of messages. I don't need to do that. So I can just do like index.html, and then I put that, and then I do styles.css, and then I do script.js. There might be a more efficient way to do this. I'm sure there'll be a plugin soon. But this is how I do it right now, and I just give it all the code here, and then I'll usually up here say changes, and then ask for what I want in the code. So the first change that we're going to do is we're just, like, basically I think that I just want something up here that says, like a checkbox that says, like, play sound. So add checkbox that says play voice, play notification when reservation is found. Or maybe it's like, these are the boring parts, so I'm going to pause it. I want to make this just on one line, so I try to think, how is it going to work on mobile? So play notification sound. It's not as descriptive as maybe it could be, but I think that's going to be clear. And so here I'm asking it to, next to the checkbox, to make a test button. That way we can just test to make sure everything's working, and it'll play the MP3. I'm adding more description. I want this to be default as checked, so I'm going to tell it that. And I've added something here that when the checkbox is checked and a reservation is found, then play the MP3. Now we just need to tell it what it's going to be actually playing, which I'm doing right here, which is just telling it the MP3 to play is in the assets folder under Bella MP3. Let's see if this works. Oh yeah, I have to hit Command Enter. Woo! Here we go. And now we're getting the changes that we requested. It's adding the checkbox, it's adding a notification sound audio, and we're getting the JavaScript. Very nice. I'm going to plug this in here in a second. All right, I got some sparkling water, and we've got our code, so let's try to put it in. All right, we've got this part here. And then we put this part before the closing. Pretty easy. Easy peasy. Put that here. Remove this comment, and we should be good. Oh, actually, we need to put the JavaScript here. So I just usually take the code up here and put it up top. I paste it, and then I do like how it just gives it to me in here. So I just kind of take each one. So we've got some constants. These are all going to go up here with the other constants. I'm going to put this up here like this. Just put a little break so that I can see these are all related to sound. So that one's done. Then we're going to add this to the event listeners. Easy peasy. Down here, the other event listeners. And then we're going to modify this. It's a little trickier when you've got like these kinds of functions, existing code, because you're not always sure what the code is. But we're going to try it down here. Sometimes I'll just search for like available to find it. In this case, taking too long. So in this case, I can see this is just a repeat. So I'm going to remove this here. And I kind of like to keep the comments. Normally I would keep the comments, but just with limited token stuff, I tend to remove them. I'll keep this one. And I think that's it right here. Then I just remove this up top and then save it. And then let's see what happens here. I'm going to refresh this. Okay, we've got a play notification sound. And we've got a test button. Let's see. Sound is on. Nothing. Okay. Let's do some bug checking. The first thing I'm going to do is check the console, because that's where usually where all the errors appear. So let's check that out. We have an error here. Cannot read properties of null. So I'm going to tell this to ChatGPT and see if it can give me. So I'm just going to copy this error, and I'm going to copy this error like this, and then paste it in. I don't even need to give it any context. I just put this in, and it usually gives me some sort of thing. So it's calling the play method that it can't find. To fix this, you can wrap your JavaScript code in a event listener. So we're going to try that next. Although, in this case, I kind of already know the DOM's already loaded because I'm hitting the test button. So this might not actually be the problem. Oh, yeah, it gives it after. Maybe I also put it in the wrong file name or something. So I'm going to do a couple checks. This is loading at the very bottom, which I thought it asked for, but I'm going to add it on top of script just to see if that changes anything. All right, so that's done. Let's go here and refresh and hit, well, we've got all this stuff up. Let's see.
I found a reservation for you.
Okay.
Grab it quick.
All right. So that is working. So it's working when I hit the test. So now we need to see if it's working when we find a reservation. So let me see if I can quick find for something in the future next week.
I found a reservation for you. Grab it quick.
All right. And then it'll replay every time, but that's okay because somebody can take it off. So now we need to uncheck it and then find a reservation. Found one. No notification.
I found a reservation for you.
Woohoo,
Grab
I
it
checked
quick.
it. And it worked. Okay. This is so easy. I can, okay. All right. So there's progress today. My reservation bot will now notify me. I feel happy and satisfied. I feel like AI really does give us some superpowers. I'm going to go do my real job now. But I feel like I accomplished something today anyway.